Hi YouTube, I'm Jonah, and thanks for joining us today on our unboxing this portable outdoors propane tank water heater by Gasland. So we bought this when we do our van life and we go camping and we need to take a shower when there's no shower available around. But today we're going to do something different with this.
Ooh, very pretty.
And on our next video, we're going to see if this portable heater can heat up our swimming pool.
Adapter, we'll open that after.
And we have our Gasland manual. These are connectors for our inlet and outlet valves. Oh, there's our shower
Hose. Oh, the shower hose.
Shower hose.
Which we don't really need.
That's right, we don't need it for this project right now, but we will need it when we go camping with our van. So this is the connection to our propane tank, and here's the hose right here. Next is the water outlet. This is where the water is going to be coming out into the pool, and there is a connector for this. And this is our water inlet, where water will be going in to be heated up. And this tiny little tube is our drain plug. And this is our power button to turn on and off our burners. So this is our battery box, which holds 2 D batteries. And this will be our water temperature gauge in Celsius. So this will be the knob to adjust your gas flow. So this one will adjust your water flow. And this is your burner power switch knob. And on top over here is our exhaust. And measuring our propane hose is just under 65 inches or 5.4 feet long. So the dimensions of the heater are about 12 inches width, thickness of about 5.5 inches, and length of about 17.5 inches. And back to the spot where the batteries goes. Let's open it up. And you can see the 2 ports where the 2 double D batteries will go. And at the back we got our steel metal handle to move your portable heater around. And on top we got our 3 holes to screw in the heater into a wall. And at the bottom we have 2 more holes to screw it in to make it more secure. And in my next video, you'll see where we hang this and see if this thing works to heat up our swimming pool. Nancy is so excited. And if you like this video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.